Welcome to the best picks. The best caulk removal tool is probably one of the most underrated tools in your toolbox, but trust me, it's a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, removing old caulk can be a frustrating and time-consuming task. But with the right tool, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're diving deep into the world of caulk removal tools to find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. ALLWAY CT31 3-in-1 Caulk Tool. Introducing the ALLWAY CT31, a versatile tool designed for all your caulking needs. This tool is comfortable to hold and made from durable engineering plastic, making it a reliable choice for any project. Tired of struggling with old caulk? This tool features a stainless steel blade that quickly removes old caulk with ease. You can push or pull the blade, making the process simple and efficient. Achieve a perfect finish every time. The rotatable silicone triangle offers 3 bead profiles, allowing you to create narrow, medium, or wide caulk beads. It ensures a clean and professional look. Cleanup is a breeze with the included plastic scraper. This handy tool helps remove any excess material, leaving your surfaces clean and ready for the next step. It simplifies the entire process. The ALLWAY CT31 works with acrylic, latex, and silicone caulk. It's perfect for windows, bathrooms, and shower projects. This tool is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. What we like. This tool's 3-in-1 design makes it incredibly versatile. It removes old caulk and smooths freshly laid caulk with ease. If you're working on a variety of projects around the house, from windows to showers, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The tool's design is well thought out and makes caulk removal a breeze. It worked perfectly for removing old caulk from my bathroom. The blade is sharp and easily gets under the caulk. Number 4. Saker 3-in-1 Silicone Caulking Tool. Introducing the Saker 3-in-1 Caulking Tool. This tool combines multiple functions into one, making your sealant finishing tasks easier than ever. It's designed to help you achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. This tool features an internal angle scraper, a flat angle scraper, and a silicone smoother. It allows you to remove old sealant, reseal, and repair gaps with ease. The smart design makes it perfect for both interior and exterior use. The Saker tool is built to last. It features a sharp, stainless steel blade for removing old caulk and silicone trowels for smoothing surfaces. This ensures it can handle various tasks around your home. With the Saker 3-in-1 tool, you can quickly remove old caulk and apply new sealant. It eliminates the need for masking tape, saving you time and effort. The tool helps you get the job done efficiently. This tool is perfect for various applications. Use it in your home, kitchen, bathroom, or on floors, windows, and sinks. It's a versatile tool that will quickly become essential for your home improvement projects. The Saker Silicone Caulk Remover is a great choice for removing and spreading caulk. It improves the quality of the seal and enhances the look of any surface. Choose this tool for a professional finish. For the best experience, slightly loosen the screws on the back. This will give you a smooth, one-handed gliding sensation. Adjust it to feel comfortably snug in your hand for the best maneuverability. What we like. This tool combines multiple functions into one, making it efficient for removing, resealing, and cleaning. The durable stainless steel blade ensures long-lasting strength. If you are looking for a tool that can handle various caulking tasks in your kitchen, bathroom, or around windows, this is the one. What people say. This tool is very practical and makes caulking projects faster and cleaner. It works well for applying, smoothing, and removing old caulk all in one design. The silicone tips are flexible and leave a neat finish without much effort. Number 3. King&Charles 3-in-1 Caulking Tool Kit. Tired of messy caulk jobs? This kit includes everything you need to caulk like a pro. It helps you repair gaps and clean up old caulk quickly and easily. This tool is perfect for corners and seamless joints. It improves the look of your work and makes it easy to get a clean finish. It's ideal for any edge, corner, or joint. The kit comes with 5 replaceable silicone pads. They're easy to clean and reusable, so you can keep using them for a long time. Simply choose the radius you need and get to work. This tool works with most types of sealant, silicone, and grout. It's great for showers, windows, sinks, and tubs. You can use it in your home, kitchen, or bathroom. This kit makes removing old caulk easy and fast, without damaging surfaces. You'll be happy with the professional results. It makes the job simple and quick. What we like. This kit offers a 4-in-1 design, helping you repair gaps and clean up residual glue. The replaceable silicone pads are easy to clean and reusable. If you like a professional finish and want to improve the look of your caulking, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Worked great. Everything I needed to do the job and the kit is good quality. This caulking tool set arrived very quickly and was packaged securely. The kit looks solid and includes multiple shaping pieces, which makes it versatile for different caulking or sealing jobs. Sure, I could use an old credit card for caulking, but this tool made the job a whole lot easier and quicker. Number 2. Caulk Removal Tool Kit with Storage Box. This kit is a must-have for various home repairs. It includes everything needed for caulking, grout, and more. It makes those tasks much easier. The stainless steel scraper quickly removes old caulk. The blade helps clean up excess caulk and smooth surfaces. It simplifies a messy job. The caulk finisher has multiple profiles for different applications. The silicone smoother removes excess caulk without getting your fingers dirty. It ensures clean and professional results. All the tools are packed in a convenient storage box. This makes it easy to carry and prevents losing any pieces. It's perfect for long-term use. This tool works well with various caulk types and is great for windows, baths, and showers. It is ideal for home renovation and improvement projects. You should have one for all your little home projects. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for various repairs, from caulking to grout. It ensures clean lines with its caulk finisher and replaceable silicone pads. If you have a lot of small home projects and want an organized solution, this kit with its storage box is ideal. What people say. Works awesome, just takes a little practice. Putting painter's tape down helps keeps the lines clean. Sturdy plastic, easy to use. The side with a razor blade would have been better to make a standard replacement blade size, but beyond that, good product. Use this for removing stained moldy caulking from tile and shower base. Used the black scraper tool with the razor attachment the most. It worked so well and saved me lots of time. Number 1. Caulking Tools 3-in-1 Kit for Kitchen and Bathroom. Introducing the upgraded caulking tool kit. It features new materials and a new design, especially the metal scraper for more efficient cleaning. This kit will make your caulking tasks easier. This kit includes a stainless steel head, a button, a removable steel scraper, silicone pads, and grout remover pads. Compared to the 3-in-1 design, it offers a clearer division of labor, helping you achieve professional results. With this tool, you can remove old caulking in half the time. It also helps you quickly apply new caulking, giving your home a fresh new look. It's simple and effective. This caulking removal tool is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, windows, and more. It's a necessary tool for any caulking project you might have. It's designed to handle various tasks. We stand behind our product with a 1-year replacement guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll resolve the issue within 24 hours. It's a risk-free purchase. What we like. This tool features upgraded materials and a clear division of labor for more efficient cleaning. It's suitable for various applications in kitchens, bathrooms, and windows. If you are looking for a tool that makes caulking easier and gives your home a fresh look, consider this one. What people say. Great caulk scraping tool. In addition, the various blue edge applicators work very well in providing a good smooth uniform seal. Easy to use and perfect for larger small jobs. It cleaned out silicone in my shower perfectly, and I switched to a job to remove rock grout from a kitchen counter, and it continued to work well. Works as it should. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.